Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. Here, I'd like to share a concept that I used to do quite a bit. I've done many times. Haven't been doing it with Midjourney 6.0, but I want to start. And the idea is to do it, I call it a city suite, where you do a certain city in a bunch of different styles. So here, this is Art Nouveau. This is Impressionism, style of Monet. This, I'm not sure who the artist is, but line drawing, and I don't think I need to say the city. This is Matisse. I'm not sure what this style is, but that was pretty cool. Um, this is photography, street photography. This is close-up photography. And do I have this one twice? What was that here? No, these are different. All right. Looks like a similar style. I think this one was digital art. I remember this one. And Jean Julien, I think, was the artist. The style was after. So the way that this works is I started a session with ChatGPT, and I gave it this script called Instructions for ChatGPT to collaborate with the user, and goes on. I'll include this in the URL of the description of the video, and you can paste the chat, the copy and paste the instructions in a new session, and that's what I did here. And so I gave it the instructions, copied and pasted it, and then it responded saying that it's going to help do Midjourney prompts, and it outputs a template, an example prompt, and the rules. And I find that having it output this helps it be more consistent in the results that it gives. So it's more for itself than for the user, but it can be interesting to see the approach that's being followed. So I told it, I started on something else, and then had the idea of doing what I'll share here on a cityscape. So the cityscape is to give it 10 iconic words and for a city, and have it give some ideas. So actually I had to give it about 15 iconic words. And then I chose 10 of the 15. And once I had the 10 words, I asked it to choose 10 styles. And these are the 10 styles that it chose. And then I asked it to write 10 prompts for the 10 styles, which it did. And then I asked it to write a blog post for that. So if anyone's interested, I'll include the URL to the blog post. So this has, here's the blog post right here. And it wrote all of this. It titled it, said Paris Through the Lens, a Journal and 10 Images. And here are the images for Midjourney that were created, and the blog post. And this is another way you can look at the images, is you can click on read more, click on an image, and then you can kind of go through as a slideshow to see the images as quickly or slowly as you'd like to. And you can see there's a bunch of different styles here of art and photography. And I can remember some of the iconic words. This is the Seine. This is Louvre. This is croissant. This is haute couture. This is Montmartre. This is the Louvre. This is Notre Dame. Notre Dame. This is Café. This is Champs-Élysées. This is Macron. And this is the Marais, I think, if I remember the pronunciation right. And I like this quite well because this one captured the narrow streets, and I can remember, walking down the road that it's portraying here. So it's quite nice to kind of bring out the sentiment. Okay, well, I hope you find this interesting. You can just copy and paste the script that I mentioned. Ask it to give you 10 iconic words for a city or a country or whatever you'd like to explore, and choose 10 different styles and have it do prompts for it. And if you're so inclined, you can ask it to write out a blog post. So once again, I will include in the URL description the the script that you can use for ChatGPT, and also the blog post if you'd like to look at that. So I hope you found this interesting, and thanks for watching. Until next time.